Hey guys, in this video we're going to be talking about function overloading. Now what is function overloading means you can have a user-defined function or multiple user-defined functions with the same name, but it can differ in the data type of the parameters or the number of parameters. Let's see an example. Let's have multiple functions that add numbers, but it differs the data type of the parameters or the number of parameters but has the same name. In the second add function, this add function takes three integer values and adds them. Since I passed only two integer values, the function call will be made to the first add function, which takes two integer parameters and returns their sum. In the next function call, I'm passing in three values, so the function call will be made to the second add function, which takes three integer numbers and returns their sum. You can see 30 and 60, which means it made function calls to two separate functions having the same name but different number of parameters. This is known as function overloading. I hope you understood function overloading. Thanks for watching the video.